A while loop is a loop of code that runs continuously as long as a certain condition is true and will only stop if that condition is false. So to show you how to use a while loop, I'm going to make a variable called x, and I'm going to set it equal to 3. Then to actually make a while loop, we're going to type while, which is the keyword, and then we're going to type our condition. So for example, we could write x is not equal, which is exclamation mark equals to 3. And then we'll write colon, like with if statements, and then we press enter. And like with if statements, the code in the while loop is indented. So now we can type print hello. Now if we press enter twice, nothing's going to happen because x is 3 and it's only going to print hello whilst x is not 3. However, if I were to type while x is 3, then you type colon, enter, and then we can put any code to print hello again. Then what you're going to see is if we press enter twice, it's going to continue printing out the word hello infinitely. As you can see, it's already printed out multiple times and it keeps doing it as long as we want. And so that's how to use a while loop. And you have to always remember the colon and indentation. And you can use basically any of the conditions that we learned in the previous video for the condition for the while loop. And just like with if statements, you can put any code inside a while loop. So I've just refreshed my IDLE, and now we're going to learn about while true loops. So this is where you have a loop that runs infinitely unless it gets broken. So to do it, we type while true, and true is the keyword, and you have to use capital. And then we type colon, and then if we press enter, we can see our code is indented. And again, we can write any code. So I could type print hello once more, and I'm not going to run it this time, but this code will run infinitely without stopping at all. So now we're going to learn about the break statement. And the break statement is used to basically break out of a while loop. So if the while loop is running, it can stop the while loop before continuing. And the break statement works with normal while loops and with while true loops. So if I've got this example here, while true print hello, I could type break, which is keyword, and this is the only way to use the break statement. It's just the word break. If I press enter twice now, you can see it printed hello because it said while true, so forever, print hello, and then stop. And so it's immediately stopped, and that's how to use the break statement. Next is the continue statement, and this can be used to skip through the rest of the code in a while loop and continue to the next iteration. So if I were to type x equals 3 again, then I type while x equals 3, double equals 3, then colon and press enter to have it indented, I can type print hi, and then I can press continue. So I could type continue, and that's how you use the continue statement. It's just the word continue. And if I press enter now, then you can see that the code is no longer indented because Python knows that all of the code that I write underneath the continue statement in the while loop is going to be skipped out. So if I press enter now, you can see that it continuously prints out hi because at the top we had while x equals 3, which it was, print hi, and then continue, which means continue to the start of the while loop again and go back to print hi, continue, go back, etc. The final thing I'm going to teach you about while loops is while else. So if you have a while loop, you can have an else statement after it. So I could type x equals 3 again, and then I could type while x equals 3. So, hang on, let's change it up. Say while x equals 4, print 1. However, we could then type else, which is a keyword, and colon, and then have our code indented, print 2. And now if we press enter twice, we can see that we get 2, because whilst x is 4, which it's not, we print 1, but because it's not 4, we skip that and we go to the else statement, which says print 2, therefore we've printed 2. And a while else loop can be used if the while loop ends or if the loop's condition is false. So that's the end of episode 8. In episode 9, we will learn about for loops in Python. Thank you for watching and have a great day.